Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Make.com using OAuth and API tokens. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Make.com using OAuth and API tokens, start by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to the account settings, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Look for the API or integration section within the settings menu. If you're using OAuth, select the option for OAuth 2.0. Next, you will need to create a new application for OAuth authentication. Fill in the required fields, such as application name and description. Enter the redirect URI, which is the endpoint where users will be sent after authentication. Once you save the application, note down the client ID and client secret provided. Open a new browser window and go to the authorization URL specified in the documentation. Replace the required parameters in the URL, including the client ID and redirect URI. Perform a GET request to this URL to start the OAuth flow. Authorize the application when prompted, allowing it to access your Make.com account. You will then be redirected to the specified redirect URI with an authorization code in the URL. Copy this authorization code, as you will need it in the next step. Now, make a POST request to the token endpoint, including the authorization code, client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. This request will return an access token and a refresh token, which you should securely store. If you plan to use API tokens instead, go back to the API section in your account settings. Locate the option to create a new API token. Assign a name to your new API token for identification. Generate the API token, and make sure to copy it before navigating away from the page. You can now use either the access token from the OAuth flow or the API token for authenticating your requests to the Make.com API. To use the access token, include it in the authorization header of your HTTP requests as a bearer token. For API token authentication, include the API token in the authorization header as well. Testing your authentication can be done by making a simple API call to a user endpoint. Check the response to ensure that your authentication was successful. If you encounter any errors, revisit the steps to confirm that all parameters are correctly set. That's how you authenticate with Make.com using OAuth and API tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.